Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the visibility function in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the community button. And within this section, look for the visibility button, and to enable this, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.